From Mobile Gadget Repair. I'm going to open up iPhone 6, not the 6 Plus. What you need is a pentalobe, a Phillips suction cup, and a guitar pick. Alright, so we're going to start with opening up the bottom screws, which is just like the iPhone 5. Then we're going to get the suction cup. Very lightly we're gonna pull it up. So you see it's already pulling up because it is very thin. Once you put it in, you can remove the suction cup. Very gently lift it from one side and then from the other side, and it just pops out. All right, now you will see that there is no cable for the home button like the 5S. It is right here. That is the cable, and of course you will remove one, two, 3, 4, and the 5 screws, and you have the earpiece cable, you have the home button cable, you have LCD and digitizer. So that's the cable for the home button, the earpiece, and then just put it back the way it came. Make sure you put it right because you might have lines on the LCD. Be very careful putting these since it is very flimsy. Once you do that, you screw back the rest of the screws, push it in again just like you would do on a 5, put back the screws, and you are done.